lahat po ito nag-iyakan talaga sa akin. Alam po nila yon, but that's really part of their training. And I'm so proud of this group. The first Batangas and Food Beverage Exposition Executive Committee. Thank you, guys. This time, let's meet the Awards Committee. Awards Committee? Pwede na. Awards Committee. Thank you so much, guys. The Food Committee, Documentation Committee, Program Committee, Exhibit, Sponsors Committee. Talaga sila. Mahirap nang gawin, ha? Yung isa ba yung souvenir? Kasabay ng Souvenir Program Committee. Those who are interested to get their souvenir program, you may get them dito po sa right side. No, kahit na naka-gown, naka-barong. Okay. Alphabets, go, alphabets. Are we ready to announce the winners? Napakahirap talaga po ng naatasan kay Sir Roy Aruba. Of course, habang iniintay pa natin, we call the Ingress and Egress Committee. Ito yung talagang, what did you say? A while ago you told me, pawis na inyong kilikili sa ang babahuli natin. Okay lang yan, come on. Ingress, Egress Committee, palakpakan nyo naman, ha, Cheryl? Aba, ang hirap ng ginawa naman yan. Before we give the mic to those who will be announcing the winners, we would like to call in the Dean of the College of International and Hospitality Management, the indefatigable Miss Joy Zapata.